So these are the ingredients for the burnt cheesecake and using thermomix. So you break 7 eggs into the thermomix. Okay, so Trista will help you break the eggs. We just need 7 eggs. Okay, open up the eggs, make sure the shell doesn't go in. Okay, next one. 6 eggs. Wow. Harder, Trista.
Wow.
Okay, so we'll mix the eggs first at the speed of 20 seconds. Speed 4. So it's Philadelphia cheese and we chop it into cubes. So it's done. We'll add cheese into it. 30 seconds. Speed 5. We're done, but you just need to scrape it down. So good. I'll use brown sugar instead, and we need to weigh 300 grams. Next 1 minute. Speed 5. Okay, time to add cream. Okay. Yeah. Almost there. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. 30 seconds. Speed 5. 30 grams. Wait, the part is okay. More. A bit more. A bit more. A bit more. Okay. 2 minutes. Pour them in. Fill it up. Pour. Pour.
Come on.
That's nice. Great job, Tristan. Yay, you excited?
Yeah, let's put it on.
Careful, don't bang into it. There you go. There you go. So, put flour, 200 degrees. Almost done. Wow. So here you go. This is your burnt cheesecake that you made. Ooh, it's cool now. You wanna try? Do you like your burnt cheesecake? How does it taste like?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. It's not chocolate. It's cheesecake.
But it's the Black King's chocolate.
It's burnt cheesecake.
But